Wash the aloe vera leaves. Then you will need a cup. Place the leaves upright in the cup and wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will notice there is yellowish liquid in the cup. This liquid is very irritating for the skin and we don't want this liquid in our aloe vera gel. So drain it out. Remove the sides of the aloe vera leaf first. And then extract the aloe vera gel using a knife. Be very careful while doing this. Don't cut yourself. Then take a blender and put the aloe vera gel in the blender. You will need 500 mg vitamin C tablets. Vitamin C is a natural preservative and it will increase the lifespan of the aloe vera gel. I have crushed the vitamin C tablets just so it can easily mix in with the aloe vera gel. For half cup of aloe vera gel, you will require 2 tablets and then blend both of the ingredients. I have blended both of the ingredients very nicely. If your aloe vera gel is not very smooth, then strain it before storing. Then take a clean glass container and pour the aloe vera gel into it. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 1 month.